Fusion Dance Fest was a great opportunity for any age of dancer to see what putting on a professional performance is like, which is a big change from the competitive world of Irish dance.
For me, it helped me to enhance my stage presence and has boosted my confidence, which has really helped in my competitive dance life.
I really enjoyed being able to work with different choreographers on a day-to-day basis and really connect with them on a personal level.
It was a great experience with so many opportunities like video projects and live performances. I got to dance with amazing choreographers, each with different styles, and I made loads of new friends.
Fusion Dance Fest was an amazing opportunity for me to experience the world of Irish dance outside of competitions. I met so many incredible dancers and teachers from around the world there, and I had the time of my life.
Last year we also got to perform on the Late Late Show, which was amazing, and we got to dance during the dance drama at the Worlds.
It's a great experience. I got to meet loads of new friends and I got to perform on live and flat TV as well.
If you sign up now, you definitely won't regret it.